Hi everyone, and today I'm going to be speaking about how to avoid the afternoon energy slump. So when you listen to this video today, you'll discover how the afternoon energy slump can affect you, what causes it, and I'll give you a tip on how to avoid it so you can have more consistent energy through the afternoon. And if you're suffering from feeling exhausted and looking to have the energy, to exercise more, get things done, just do more of the things you enjoy, and so be like you can go through the entire day without an energy crash, then I'm going to show you in the next few minutes how you can do that, so how you can start your day off feeling energized so that you can avoid falling asleep in the afternoon. So if that sounds good, keep watching. And in fact, what I'm going to tell you is a secret that I teach my clients in my fatigue fighting program. And I'm so glad you're going to stick around, because the secret I'm going to tell you, it's not only helped me on my fatigue recovery journey, it's also helped so many of my clients. And if you're an exhausted woman who wants to feel energized, then I'm going to share one thing that I did that really transformed my day, because it wasn't too long ago when I used to, sleep for 10 hours, and yet in the afternoon I still fell asleep on the sofa, and this happened quite a lot. And immediately I told myself, I'm just fed up of this. Who wants to have to waste the afternoon having the nap and not have the energy to do things? I wanted to have stable energy throughout the day and just feel normal. So here's something to think about. If you stop trying things like, just taking random supplements from shops such as Holland and Barrett, or taking something because it helped your friend or someone in a Facebook group. But these things, they don't always work for everyone. And so with my clients, this is a tactic that I use to help them. And I had a client called Sean who came in, and she literally had no energy for anything outside of her job, and she come to the point where she didn't even have enough energy for that now, and was really struggling, and she had 2 boys to look after. And when she implemented what I'm going to share with her, it took her 4 weeks actually to start having more energy, to exercise for 15 minutes after work. And for her that was life changing, because she no longer had to feel guilty for just doing one meeting at work and then having to have a nap. So she's really happy. But before I go any further, in case you're new to my channel, I'm Kate, and I'm a nutritional therapist, and I work with exhausted women over 40 to help them to have more energy, to exercise, do the things they enjoy. And just recently had a client who was able to exercise more and able to make plans with friends without letting them down, and that's just so rewarding to know that they're improving their quality of life. And if you want to get the same or a similar result as Sean, and avoid falling asleep on the sofa in the afternoon like I used to do when I had chronic fatigue syndrome, and just feel energized throughout the day, so let me tell you. So here's one thing that I did with Sean that I really believed helped make the biggest difference in transforming her day. So what we did is I gave her a list of healthy snack ideas that contain protein and healthy fats, and this helped because protein and healthy fat, they break down and release energy slowly into your bloodstream, and this helps you feel full for longer and prevents blood sugar spikes and sharp dips, which can lead to sugar cravings and energy crashes, particularly in the afternoon. So this is a proven way to help balance your blood sugar level, so your energy levels are maintained throughout the day. And these chosen snacks can also help limit cravings and fight weight gain and regulate mood. And so an example of a healthy snack containing protein and healthy fats would be a handful of nuts and a piece of low glycemic fruit, such as, an apple. So things like, sweets, biscuits and cakes that are high in sugar, they can lead to blood sugar imbalances. And when you consume sugar, it spikes your blood sugar level very quickly. And this can lead to a short-term energy boost, but it's quickly followed by an energy drop that lingers long after and leads to further sugar cravings. And also, sugar can feed gut infections such as candida or bacterial overgrowths. It can also suppress your immune system, which can lead to further infections and fatigue. So having these healthy snacks with the protein, it regulates your blood sugar and stops you getting the energy slumps in the afternoon. So I really hope that you try it and let me know how you get on. I would love to know if it's helped you, and tell me how it transformed your day. You can comment below, or you can click, there's a link to my website in the description and you can message me. And I've got a free guide for people who suffer from feeling exhausted and have an afternoon energy slump, and it's called How to Avoid the Afternoon Energy Slump, and it's got some more sort of really helpful tips on how to avoid that energy slump. So I put the link in the description so you can click on that and go and download that, grab it because it's free and I created this. So it's just simple things you can do to have more energy throughout the day. So thanks so much for listening to this video, and I hope you found it helpful, and I'll be again next week with more helpful tips for having more energy. I'll also be sharing stories of how I overcame my energy slumps, and also my clients, how I've helped them to have more energy, and busting myths around tiredness and fatigue, showing you what to avoid and what can really help. So thanks for listening wherever you are in the world. Have an amazing day or night, and I will be back again next week. So take care everyone, bye for now.